Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making veg colorful pizza. For this we require mushroom, sweet corn, capsicum, onion, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, baby corn. Firstly take a ready pizza base or pizza bread. Put 1 teaspoon of olive oil and spread all over the base and keep aside. Now take a mushroom and chop it. Now take capsicum and chop it into a small chunks. Now take a small piece of onion and chop it. Take one baby corn and diagonally cut it. Now we'll take yellow bell pepper and we'll chop it to the same size as other ingredients or other vegetables. Now I'm taking red bell pepper and cutting it to a small pieces. So our colorful vegetables are chopped. Now we'll take the pizza base and spread pizza sauce over the pizza base. If you don't have pizza sauce, you can use tomato ketchup. After spreading the pizza sauce, I will add little bit of sweet corn. Don't add too much because we are using lots of colorful vegetables. Now I'll add onions, little bit of onion, half teaspoon, then capsicum. Now we will add baby corn, then we will add yellow bell pepper and mushroom. Now I'll add red bell pepper, so the all colors in this colorful veg pizza will come. After adding red bell pepper, add rest of the vegetables if you find any space. Now season it little bit, very little, because vegetables doesn't have salt, so little bit seasoning. Then add little bit of oregano and then cover it with processed cheese, grated processed cheese. You can use any kind of cheese, whether it is mozzarella or whatever you like, you can use. I am using Indian processed cheese. After adding cheese, we have to bake it in 180 degrees centigrade. Now we will bake it in 180 degrees centigrade for around 7 to 8 minutes. So your veg colorful pizza is ready. Your kid gonna love it. It's a must try dish.